Welcome back to Bite Size Italian. If you love coffee and really want to impress your friends or family with your Italian, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to look at how to order coffee in Italian like a local. Let's get started. Firstly, let's talk about Italian coffee culture. In Italy, coffee isn't just a drink, it's a way of life. Italians typically enjoy their coffee quickly and at the bar, standing up. And they have specific phrases that they use to order different types of coffee. So let's have a look at some different types of coffee and some phrases. So here are some typical types of coffee in Italy. Cappuccino, usually enjoyed in the morning. Latte macchiato, steamed milk with a shot of espresso. Caffè macchiato, espresso, which is stained, macchiato means stained, with a small amount of milk or milk foam, and caffè latte, espresso, with steamed milk and a small layer of foam. And some stronger coffee, espresso, caffè lungo, lungo means long, caffè ristretto, caffè corretto, okay, so it's usually espresso, with a small amount of liqueur, so grappa or sambuca, and caffè doppio, so that's a double shot of espresso. And then some cooler type coffee, which you tend to drink in the summer. Caffè freddo, caffè shakerato, okay, so shakerato is shaken, e caffè affogato. Okay, affogato usually is a shot of espresso poured over ice cream, gelato. It's very, very nice. Okay, so here are some basic phrases that you'll need to order your coffee in Italian. Vorrei un cappuccino, per favore. So I would like a cappuccino, please. Un caffè, per favore. A coffee, please. Posso avere un caffè, per favore? So can I have a coffee, please? Prendo un espresso. I'll have or I'll take espresso. Per me un espresso. So for me, I'll have an espresso. So here are my top 3 tips for ordering coffee. Number 1, always say per favore, please, it's polite. Number 2, don't ask for a to-go cup, as Italians usually drink their coffee at the bar. And number 3, if you want sugar, you can say con zucchero, or you can add it in yourself. Thanks for watching. I hope you now feel ready to order coffee more confidently in Italian. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. And don't forget, share your favourite coffee in the comments. Until next time, ciao ciao!